I'm Howard Cooper. I'm a hematologist oncologist with IU Health Arnett Cancer Center. I've been practicing medicine since 1998. I decided I wanted to be a physician because I knew I wanted to take care of patients. My inspiration was my mother and my family. When I was in grade school, my mother went back to school and got her bachelor's degree and eventually master's in social work. And she had me invite the child to work day. So she invited me to her hospital where she worked, where I got to meet the physicians, social workers, nurses, and all the healthcare providers. And after a few times of doing that, I realized I'd end up in the healthcare field. At your first visit to our cancer center, I can promise you a good listening ear to listen to all your concerns that you have with your cancer or blood disorder. We schedule adequate time for our first visit, and I will not leave the room till all of your concerns of not only you but your families as well are answered. We also are going to have a well-prepared team of not just physicians but dietitians, social workers, nurses, nurse practitioners, pharmacists to get you the best care that we can. What I love the most about my job is the relationships I develop with my patients. I learned early on, my first time ever on a cancer floor, that the relationship between physician and patient when someone has a blood or cancer disorder is unlike any other. And boy, that goes from diagnosis to the anxiety that my patients feel from our first meeting, but also we get to continue that relationship when treatment ends and very often in survivorship. And there's nothing like when patients ring the bell at the end of treatment or come to visit me even 1 year later, 5, even 10 years later. Sometimes people don't want to graduate. They like to do the once a year checkup, I call it, just to mainly keep in touch and have a social visit more than anything else. But it's the relationships with the patients that led me to this field and keep me going. When I'm not caring for patients, I enjoy spending time with my wife and 3 children. We enjoy traveling very much. We're always planning the next vacation to have something to look forward to. We're also Big Ten sports fans. As a graduate of Michigan State University, I'm going to hear about that in Boilermaker country, but we'll have some fun with that.